I'm Bianca. I'm working as a creative lead at Stokke, and I'm super happy that we have the chance to present our brand new product to you, the Stokke Yoga. What is really inspiring us are actually the people. How do we improve their lives? And how do we ensure that we also create like a better bonding and support the children and foster their development with the products? We have been talking with really hundreds of families worldwide, and very often they have actually several products, movement products, but we said, okay, let's make one that is offering all of these movements at the same time. The Stokke Yoga is the closest thing to being in your arms. We really wanted to develop something that is kind of mimicking a natural movement. It's like what parents actually naturally do. They swing and they sway and they bounce their children to soothe them. You need your hand free sometimes, and this product is so sensitive to movement, so when I just give it like a subtle touch, it's already continuous moving. The overall design is very minimalistic, it's very clean. Its subtle design is like blending into every interior. We have this soft pebble shape. It is a safe haven for the children. If I have to describe the Stokke Yoga in 3 words, I would say it's adaptive, it's safe, and it's aesthetic.